Question number 21. That A is equal to 2x such that x belongs to n and x values between 1 to 4 and 1 is included in that. B is equal to x plus 2 such that x belongs to n and x values between 2 to 5 and 2 is included. And C is equal to x such that x belongs to n and x values between 3 to 6. 3 and 6 are not included. So you have to find A intersection B. First I'll find A. I'll let A. 2x such that x belongs to n and x values between 1 to 4. 1 I can take. So 2 into 1 is what? 2. X value is 2. So it will be 2 to the 4. X value will be 3 because 1, 2, 3 I can take, 4 I can't take. 3. So 2 3s are 6. First value is 1. X is equal to 1, so 2 1s are 2. X value is 2, so 2 2s are 4. X value is 3, so 2 3s are 6. And 4 I can't take. So B is equal to x plus 2. X belongs to H number. X value can be 2, so 2 plus 2 is what? 4. Then I can take 3, so 3 plus 2 that is 5. And then 4, so 4 plus 2 that is 6. 5 I can't take. C will be what? X such that x belongs to n and values between 3 to 6. So 4 and 5 I can take. So I'm just 4 comma 5 because only x 4 comma 5. Now you have to find A intersection B. First you have to find A intersection B is equal to what? What is common between these two sets? We can see 4 is common and 6 is common. So I can write 4 comma 6 is A intersection B is 4 comma 6. Second part is A union B. A union B. First I write on A 2 comma 4 comma 6 and B 4 already is there. So again I won't write 5. I can write 5 and 6 already I have written in this A from A set, so I can't write. So 2 4 5 6 2 4 5 6 that is A union B. Now part third. Now part third. Now part third. A intersection A union B. A union B intersection C. A union B intersection C. How will you write? A union B. What is A union B? Now only we wrote A union B is 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 and intersection C is what? C is 4 comma 5. So 2 4 5 6 and 4 5. What is common? 4 and 5. 4 and 5. So I can write 4 and 5 is answer third part. It is A union B intersection C. That is 4 comma 5. Now part fifth. Not part fifth. Now you have to verify. Now you have to verify. 3 parts are over. Now verify. N of A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus N A intersection B. So first LHS you have to take, that is what? N A union B. A union B. How many elements are there in A union B? 4 elements. You can see because already we have found A union B. How many elements are there in A union B? 2, 4, 5 and 6. Now you have to solve RHS. That is what? NA. Number of elements in A. How many elements are there in A? 3 plus n of B. How many elements are there? 3 and minus n A intersection B. How many elements are there? So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to what? 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So I just verified that LHS is equal to RHS. So hence true. Thank you.